Hi, if you want to use Spatial Mode on your iPhone 16, then open Camera and here swipe left till you see the Spatial section. So now just turn on your phone in a landscape mode, and as you can see in my case more light is recommended, but this will work as an example for you. So here on the right side you can switch between the video mode and the photo mode, just tap it like that. And now what does this mode means? So, with the help of the Spatial Mode, you can record special photos and videos with remarkable depth for viewing in the Photos app or an Apple Vision Pro. And for the best results, keep iPhone in the landscape orientation and stable while recording. The video is recorded at 30 fps at 1080p. A minute of this video is approximately 130 megabytes and a spatial photo is approximately 5 megabytes. So to take a photo you just need to tap the camera shutter button, and to record a video you just need to tap this red button. And here you would be able to see this mask icon, which means that the spatial mode is on. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.